watch you.
It looks like it's looking right at me.
Okay, guys. Any guys in here? Any Rubik's cubes put away and phones? I think that's the first time I've ever said that.
What?
Put the Rubik's cubes and phones away in the same sentence.
Well, now you said twice.
Okay, today we are going to get started with a thinking prompt, kind of like we did the other day. Does this thing have pens that work?
Yes.
Nice catch.
Thank you. I'm really talented at sports. Okay, I need you to pause what you were doing before, and I need you to bring your brains into what we're about to do now. Okay. So I'm going to put a picture on the board. There's a link at the bottom, and we'll do the link in a second. But I want you to look at the picture, and I'm going to ask you the same questions as I did yesterday. What do you notice, and what do you wonder? So I'm going to read it to you in case you have a hard time reading it. It says, everybody who went to the moon has eaten chicken. Good grief, chicken makes you go to the moon. Talk at your table. What do you notice? What do you wonder? Ready, go.
You gotta watch YouTube.
What are we thinking? Hey,
Don't eat chicken.
what are we thinking? What do you notice? Just shout it out.
Why do chicken and moon have the same thing?
What is that?
Why do they have to have a chicken and the moon in the same thing?
A chicken and the moon are the same thing?
Like, why is
Well, they're saying, like, up here they're saying, everyone who has gone to the moon has eaten chicken. So this guy is saying, so that must mean that if you eat chicken, you go to the moon.
So he's saying if you put that in, then you get to go there or something.
Yeah, so he's saying, like, so they're saying, like, oh, it looks like everybody who has ever been to the moon has eaten chicken. So therefore, anyone who eats chicken will have the opportunity to go to the moon. True or no?
No.
No, John.
It's true if it's bad chicken.
It's true if it's bad chicken. Why?
Because you could get like all crazy and stuff, and you could think that you're on
Like sick and delirious, like hallucinating, maybe. Okay. What else do we notice or wonder? Anything else?
Yeah, what's up?
Do you think? Here's the question. Do you think that everybody that went to the moon has eaten chicken?
Yeah.
Maybe not.
So does that mean that you? They all have eaten chicken. All the time. They've all eaten chicken, but does that mean they all go? Then anybody who eats chicken goes to the moon?
No.
They could if they wanted to be an astronaut.
Oh, I gotta go over here to do this. Okay, here's the next one I want you to look at. Same thing. It's gonna be a really short video. What do you notice? What do you wonder? Maybe.
Like most people,
Okay, listen up. Here we go. This is as loud as it's gonna get.
Like most people, I enjoy a tasty scoop of ice cream, especially Oreo blizzards. But what few people realize is how dangerous a treat ice cream has become. First, there's the issue of obesity. Second, there are higher crime rates. Third, there's the loss of life due to a rise in the number of drowning deaths. And finally, as more ice cream is sold, there's an increase in forest fires.
Pause for a second. What do you notice? What do you wonder?
Only one of them's right.
No, those have them.
What do
What do you notice? What do you wonder?
Maybe they put drugs in ice
Actually, two of them make sense because you get so fat you can't swim and you drown.
Good. What do we notice? What do we wonder? Hello, share with me. What do you notice? What do you wonder?
How it increases forest fires.
How the increase in ice cream sales increases forest fires?
Yeah.
Okay, what else are we wondering about?
All of them besides number 1.
All of them.
Actually,
This
three
one.
number work.
Ice cream is good for you.
So could we say that eating ice cream, the more ice cream you eat, it can cause obesity?
Yeah.
Okay. What about this? The more ice cream we eat, the higher crime rates.
No.
What if I did this? And I showed you that is crime rates and ice cream sales put together. Would you then say that ice cream sales causes higher crime rates?
No.
Why not? They have the same graph.
Yeah. It's just
Coincidence. That's also called a correlation. So anytime our graphs, we can say that, oh, they go up. As this happens, so does this. That's a correlation. But in this case, does ice cream sales going up cause higher crime rates? No. If it did, that would be causation. When we said, oh, higher ice cream sales causes obesity, we can probably link that and say that that's causation, right?
yes.
Okay? And then if we were talking about higher crime rates, there's just a correlation there. The data looks similar. Just like if I said increasing in drowning deaths was that graph or something like it. Yes, there's a correlation. The trend is that they both increase, but does one cause the other? No. What about this one? Let's say this, the more you study, the better your grades. Correlation or causation? Talk at your table. Okay, what did you say? Correlation or causation? Causation?
Probably.
Probably. You could probably find enough data to support that. At your table, think about, is there one that you can think of, besides one we have here, of an example of a correlation and an example of a causation? Talk at your table. Example of a correlation and a causation. Data looks the same. They're all about Okay, anybody have an example for? Okay, wrap up your conversations in 3, 2, 1. What's an example of a correlation? Anybody find one? Cam?
Because people buy guns, there's more killing.
Yeah.
Because some people go buy guns to go hunt. Killing of people.
You probably could prove that either way, based on the type of data, like the type of data you would select.
Honestly, doesn't that sound like an argument between Democrats and Republicans all the time?
Yeah.
Democrats want it to be causation, right? And Republicans point to it as just being a correlation. I mean, they don't say it that way, but their arguments are wrapped around those ideas, aren't they?
That's interesting. I never thought of it. I never thought that. Good. Other examples of a correlation or a causation? Gracie, what's the one we talked about that I shared with you for causation?
The more you work out, the more you lose weight.
Okay, that could be a causation.
Well, wouldn't you gain weight when you build muscle?
That's lifting all those things.
You work out the rest.
Well, sometimes you build muscle at first, but then eventually you get past the building muscle and then you lose weight. Yeah. Lose fat. Good. Okay, so today that's what we're going to be talking about is correlations and causation and how they're different, and also some examples with that. So you need to get out your book. Cam, you need to go get your book.
So do I. Which one?
Your math book.
There's two of them now. Harder or softer?
The hard one.
Do we need both of them?
You have exactly 30 seconds to go get it and be back here. Okay.